Hey guys, so today is hair wash day. I'm going to be washing my hair, so I'll show you some of the products. I'm showing you some of the products that I'm using to wash my hair, and the cream, the oil that I'm going to be applying to my hair, the conditioner that I'm going to be using. Then I got this hair oil from TikTok shop. That's what I'm here to show you guys today. So I've been hearing about this hair product, rosemary mint. I know most of you know about rosemary mint, and it's very, very good for hair. So I decided to try it by getting it from TikTok shop. So if you have all these scalp issues, you are having dandruff or scratches issues, rosemary mint is very, very good for your hair. Okay, it's for all hair type, so we don't have a particular hair type that you say it's for these people, it's for that people. No, it's for everybody. So yes, so my husband will be washing my hair for me. Yes, that part I skipped from the beginning. So it's my husband that is helping me to wash my hair today. And I'll be showing you what I do after washing my hair, or most times when I'm not ready to braid my hair but I washed my hair and moisturize it. What I do after washing and moisturizing is what I'm going to be showing you in this video. So just keep note, open your eye very well, sit down, carry share, carry popcorn, and watch me and my husband wash my hair and see what I did at the end. Okay, thank you for watching. If you want to get hair oil, very good hair oil, rosemary mint is very, very good. Okay, this is not an advert that I want you to go and buy. If you like, you buy. If you like, don't buy. But for those of you that are looking for hair products, if I show you hair products, I'm a stylist, a very, very good one at that. Okay, the best stylist in Germany, the whole of Germany. I don't care, let me just tell you guys, the best. So if I'm showing you, I put hair oil or hair cream into your eyes, I'm putting it to your eyes. Come on, see. Oh yeah, come on, look at it. Take a copy and go and buy yours. Okay, yes. So I will say yes, my husband really tried washing the hair. He tried. Normally he used to help me lose my hair. He's the one that helps me if I make my hair, if I braid, he's the one that helps me lose it. But this time around we decided, okay, let's try something. I want to see how good he is, because he washes Beatrice's hair. Yes, so I wanted to see how good he is. And the guy, he tried. He really, really tried. He tried with the washing. So for my hair, what I used in this video, I'm supposed to measure some nails for you, but let's go to the comment section. I want to see if you guys are active. Ask me questions in the comment section, like what product did you use. Yes, ask me. If you don't ask me, I wanted to say it, and I say shy, and I slap my mouth. Mary, you and your big mouth, short it. Talk about the rosemary mint and leave the rest. Ask me questions and I will answer you. Okay. Yes, so see K for back now. See woman now. I'm sexy. Are you seeing why I'm applying the oil to my hair? So I'm trying to make sure that the oil touches my scalp, like goes down deep and touch, like it has to touch my scalp very well. After which I'm going to be using my fingertips to like massage. Okay, to massage, to rub it, to apply it, so that it will spread and touch every part of my scalp or my head. So watch me see how I'm doing it. Yes, massage it, massage it, let it go down. After which I now use brush. Yes, I love using brush to brush my hair. If you are my client, you will know that Mary loves using brush. I don't use comb. If you see me use comb, it means I'm just like, okay, let me just use comb and touch my hair today because I have the comb. If not, I love using brush, because brush is more better. It's better than using comb. Protects your hair. It doesn't break the hair. Unlike when you are using comb to, comb, the dragging and all that, it's very, very difficult. Mostly for us around natural hair. I don't know about you that is on retouch hair. combing is not good. Brush is actually very good for natural hair. Okay, so after which I have to reapply. Don't stingy your oil. Don't say I don't want this oil to finish. Apply the oil very well. You want it to work, apply it. Okay. You see now, fine girl is ready. Almost sexy. See now. But what? Wait till I just talk from the beginning to the end though. Mary can talk. Mary the talkative. You want to try?